Hello, and welcome to this Gardener Gone Wild episode. And yes, this is the Wild Ranger. Hello. And it looks like the Wellington weather is having an episode 2 today. Quite a few actually. Episodic sody weather. Obviously I'm on the grounds of Parliament, I'm just sitting in a chair. And yeah, that's wind is blowing, not too much though, and it's been drizzling quite profusely, as is now. We've had hail, we've had proper rain, we've had warm and sunny as well, and we've had rather coldish. So yeah, that's just a Wellington weather day. It's not usually like this, but it's sometimes like this. Anyway, I think that wins my cue to finish this episode, so thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and continue watching these videos. That's all from me.